What's up? My name is Robert. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to play I'm in Love. This is a simple song, common chord progression and also common key. Well, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a tutorial. So without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of A. The progression is 6, 4, 1, and 5. The 6 is an F sharp minor chord. The 4 is a D chord. The 1, of course, is a A chord. And the 5 chord is an E major chord. So you can either play the song with the backwards. So if you're playing with backwards, you play from here. This will be F sharp minor chord. This will be a D major chord, A major chord, and E major chord. You can also play from here, F sharp minor chord, D chord, D, A, and E. So I'll walk you through how to hold these open chords. I'll also show you how to hold the backward form. So open chords, F. Okay, this is not an open chord. This is also kind of a bar chord. So F sharp minor chord. I am using my pointer finger to bar string 1, 2, and 3 on the 2nd fret, and then my ring finger is on string number 4 on the 4th fret. This is F sharp minor chord. So you can either play it here or you can play bar chord form here. So bar chord, you will just bar your 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and then your ring finger will be on string number 5, fret 4. Your small finger will play string number 4 on the 4th fret. So that's F sharp minor chord. The chord that follows is a D chord. So D chord, pointer finger plays string number 1 on the 2nd fret. Not my middle finger, string number 1 on the 2nd fret. Pointer finger plays string number 3 on the 2nd fret, and then ring finger plays string number 2 on the 3rd fret. So this is a D chord. The chord that follows will be the 1 chord, which is an A chord. So A chord, I'm using my pointer finger to bar string 2, 3, and 4 there. So A. And then finally the E chord. So E chord, pointer finger, string number 3 on the 1st fret. Middle finger playing string number 5 on the 2nd fret. Ring finger will play string number 4 on the 2nd fret. So all together this will be F sharp, D, A, E. Or if you want to play with the backwards, you play your F sharp minor here. So F sharp minor here, I'm using my pointer finger on the 4th string, 4th fret, pointer finger. Middle finger will play string number 1 on the 5th fret. Ring finger plays string number 3 on the 6th fret, and my my small finger will play string number 2 on the 7th fret. This is F sharp minor chord. The chord that will follow will be a D chord here. So I'm playing the bar chord. Pointer finger, string number 5 on the 5th fret. Ring finger plays string 2, 3, and 4 on the 7th fret. And then A chord, pointer finger will bar the 5th fret from string 1 to 6. Middle finger will be on string number 3 on the 6th fret. Ring finger playing string number 5 on the 7th fret, and small finger playing string number 4 on the 7th fret. This is A major chord. And then finally the E chord. So E chord on the 7th fret, string number 5 pointer finger, and then my ring finger will bar string 2, 3 and 4 on the 9th fret. So this is E major chord. So those are the chords that comprise the progression of the song. The song maintains that chord progression from start to end. So you can either strum, pluck, pick, or however you will play it. Just play those chords and you can mix them up bar chords and the open chords, so that your playing can be a little bit so that there will be variation on the sound, and you break off the redundancy. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Yeah, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.